Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna make this cute little, well, it's not that little, but this earring. This is one of the requests that I have got through the messages, and yeah, I think it's really nice, pretty. I will put a picture in how it looks in the ear as well. Cute. So the things that I'm gonna use are 0.5mm gold plated copper wire. Then I have some green 6mm beads. Then I have one see-through 6mm bead, and then I have like a smaller see-through bead, and then I have sterling silver gold plated hoop. And then obviously I'm going to use a mat, and then I have 4 different pliers. I have the one to cut the wire, 2 basic ones, and then 1 round nose plier. Everything that I use I will link in the description box as I always do. And yeah, let's get started. So I already cut the wire and I took about 20 centimeters, and now I'm gonna start by putting all of the green beads on. So I'm gonna put 6 beads. Just put them all on the wire like so. And now we're gonna make a circle like so. And now I'm gonna take one wire and just like make it straight, and then the other one I'm gonna wrap it around here. So I'm gonna hold it down and just take the wire and wrap it around the other one like so. And now if you take some pliers, you can just make sure that it's all nice and tightly wrapped around like so. And now I'm going to take that wire that I just wrapped around, and I will pull the bigger see-through bead on like so, and let it just go in the middle like this. And now I'm going to take the same end and just wrap it from the back like so. And now you just need to make sure that it's nice and tight like so. And now we're going to take the round nose pliers, grab them about here, and then fold the wires backwards, and then wrap them around the plier like so. And now we take these 2 ends and wrap them around the wire here. And I'm going to use pliers for that because it's just easier for me to do it. And I do it 3 times, but you need to do it at least 2 times so it's like nice and tight. And once it's on the back, you can cut off the loose ends, and if they're very short, just hold them down so they don't get in your eyes like so. And now I just take pliers and I just fall down the sharp ends. Like so. And this is the back. And now I'm going to take a little bit more of the wire, just like, I don't know, 10 centimeters, not more than that. And now I'm going to take one end and take the round nose pliers and just fold it backwards and wrap it around the plier like this. And now I'm going to take and put this daisy on like so. And now I'm just going to wrap the end around the wire. And again, I'm going to do it with pliers because it's just much easier for me to do. And I'm going to do it like 3 times. And now you cut the loose end off. Hide it as we did before. Just make sure it's not sharp. Like so. And now I'm going to take the crystal bead, the smaller one, and just put it on the wire like so. And now I take the round nose pliers again, and now I'm going to fold it backwards, wrap it around the wire, the pliers like so. Now I take the hoop, just need to check how does it open. Put it on like so. And now we wrap the wire around again. And I'm taking the pliers to do it. Like so. And now I'm just going to cut it off and hide the sharp end again. And this is it. This is your cute daisy earring done. That is so pretty. Yeah, I have put it the right way. So pretty. They look absolutely gorgeous in the sun as well, but like it's very like cloudy and rainy here, but it still looks really pretty. As I said, I'm gonna insert picture, a little video, so you see how they look in the ear, but so pretty. And the box that I got the beads, I will show you. You have so many different colors in there. I will link in the description box. They're so pretty. So this was all quick and easy daisy earring tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do upload videos now every week, actually twice a week. I will see you next time. Bye.